So you might have noticed on my channel that my channel is no longer called Beauty with Meghan. I just made it my full name, which is Meghan Osley. And honestly, Beauty with Meghan can't come to the phone right now. Why? Because she's dead. Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a merch unboxing video. Right over here in this little package I have my new Taylor Swift merch, and I thought it would be fun to just unbox it on here. I got it last night. Something to notice, yes, I do already have some TS7 merch on right now. In fact, if you guys watched my reaction to Me, then you would have seen at the end I was like, well, I finished listening, time to buy some merch. This was the merch that I bought. And this package over here is the merch that I bought a couple days later that finally came in because it took like a month to arrive. And then I also have something coming in on Tuesday the 4th. I'm gonna talk about that later. I just thought it would be fun to unbox it on camera for you guys. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's just unbox this. So I'm not sure if this is also gonna have the confetti in it. I will say this is the original package that this shirt came in, and the reason why I kept it is because there is literal heart confetti inside, and I think it's in every single one, but like literally little heart confetti. It's so cute. I'm just gonna collect them from all my packages and then try to do something with it. This shirt I got relatively quickly. It came in like a couple weeks later. This is the one that Taylor was actually wearing in New York City like a couple days before Me was released. I did also show all of my other Taylor Swift merch in videos, so if you guys want to like go watch that, I'll put a card above so that you guys can watch it, because I show you literally everything. This stuff right over here that you can see may or may not be the merch that I haven't put away yet, so yeah. We have more to unbox today, so I'm excited. I got the pink awesome crop top, and I also got a pop socket. I'm just gonna open this right up. Oh god, more hearts, more hearts. This is so cute. Oh my god, there's even more inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's even more right over here. I'm trying not to lose the hearts because I want to keep them. But anyways, this is what I got. It's obviously in the wrapping. This is a lot more pink than I thought it was. For some reason online it looked like really light pink. So here it is right over here. Ooh, this looks big. Is this the crop top? Yeah. Crop long sleeve classic pink. I got this shirt in a medium and it only goes to right here. It's weird because this one looks super long. It doesn't even look like a crop top. Well, I guess this is just a regular shirt for me then. That's okay though. I did get the Je suis calme shirt. I don't know if I said that right, but that's the shirt that I got. And it's kind of funny because in the beginning I didn't even like think it was that cute, but someone on Twitter posted a picture of them with it on and I was like, wait a minute, this is literally adorable. So I bought it just to like show you guys. Over here it's flowers. It says awesome on it, and then the Me is colored because that's the name of the song. And then over here it says I'm the only one of me, baby, that's the fun of me. You're the only one of you, baby, that's the fun of you. And then on the bottom it says Taylor Swift, and it says #1 and then Me on there. And I think that's why people think that we're getting a double album, which I will be so happy if it's true. So this is one thing. Stop rambling on about that. Now unboxing the next thing, which I just got a pop socket. Here it is right over here, and let me just dump out the rest of the parts, shall we? So much heart confetti, it's insane, but it's cute and I like it. I'm gonna regret doing this, but good job, Megan. This is the pop socket that I got. It's just pink and yellow flowers all over it, and it just says TS, and then it says Taylor Swift. I am actually getting a new phone very soon as in possibly today. So I'm just like really excited to finally have a pop socket again. I just want to wait till I get my new phone to put it on. So yeah, this is what it is. Very excited, and I have all my heart confetti. This is literally so cute. I can't even deal. I'm not gonna throw it around though because I already have like so much on the floor. So this is how the shirt looks on me. Definitely not a crop top, but that's okay, it's still cute. Yeah, I guess I should have I have short arms, so that's just me, but I should have definitely gotten the small instead. I wonder if the Je suis calme shirt is gonna be the exact same, but you'll see that in the next clip when I get it in the next couple days. It's still cute. Part of me kind of wishes I got the blue instead, but that's okay. And this is it. That is my Taylor Swift merch unboxing. And there's that mess. And then there's this mess. No, thank God I didn't throw any more hearts because this is quite a lot that I have to clean up. Love that for me.
Several days later.
Hello, it is a few days later. Hi, where do I start? I did get my final merch purchase yesterday, so I'm going to unbox that now. I was just on Twitter like 10 minutes ago and I noticed that people that got this shirt have a typo on it, and luckily mine doesn't. Just like something, I'm just gonna say this right now. When Taylor switched over to UMG and Republic and I found out that she had a different merch team than past eras, I am not going to lie when I say that I had a feeling that it would turn out to be like Ariana's because they're on the same label now. Her merch team sucks really, really bad, to the point where I don't even order from Ariana's website anymore because of how bad it is. Now I go on Twitter and people are seeing all these issues, one of them being typos on the shirt, another with a shirt that I just bought. I'm very nervous to open this shirt because, just to remind you guys, I got the Jesui Calm shirt, and that is like a blue shirt. It's kind of like a blue faded shirt. Someone got it yesterday and it was completely white, and then there was a little bit of blue on the bottom. I understand all these shirts, they are dyed differently each time. It says it on the website. It may not look exactly like the picture, but I swear to God, if I open this package and I see a white shirt, I'm going to be very mad, honestly. So let's hope that that's not the case. Yeah. I also got the pop socket, which is also another defect, I think, because, by the way, yes, I did get a new phone within the last couple days, so better quality videos. I'm filming on my 10S now. Anyways, so this is a new phone case because I tried sticking this pop socket onto the case I have now and it doesn't stick. Probably because it has like little gems on it, so it makes sense. But then I put it on this one and then it literally fell off. Another issue people have been having with their pop sockets is that their pop sockets aren't sticking on. I know celebrities have nothing to do with their merch teams, but
get better ones.
So yeah, I literally super glued this on. I'm not putting it on my phone till it's like completely dry, you know, because it's only been on for like almost 20 hours now. But yeah, so I did get this pop socket right over here, and if you can't see, it just says TS and it says Taylor Swift on it, and it matches this phone case pretty well, so I bought it for that reason. I bought a $20 phone case at Target just for this reason after I spent almost $300 on a new phone. Love that for me. And then this is my heart confetti that I put in this bag. I'm going to open this new package. Again, I really hope that this is a blue shirt and not white where I can't see the letters, because I will be so mad. So pray for me that I spent $55 on something that actually is good. Here we go. More heart confetti. I didn't really show an up close thing last time, but when I opened the package, this is all the heart confetti that's inside. So again, I think the heart confetti is like really, really cute. I do see blue, so hopefully this is good. Heart confetti everywhere. Now to unfold it for more heart confetti. Yes, bring on the hearts. Now, luckily right now I see blue. That's good. That there's some blue, but you know, we're not gonna be able to tell till I actually open up the package. Okay, so this is again just like another cropped shirt. Okay, this isn't bad. Again, it's pretty faded. You can't really tell on camera, but in person it is white on the top where it says Jesui. That's, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, sorry. That's where it's kind of hard to see, but you can see it right over here. And then on the bottom, that's where it's all blue. These are the sleeves over here, which was what sold me on the shirt because I thought it was really cute. I got a size medium. Again, I always get like a medium, especially if it's like a crop top. I am going to try this on and then I will be back and tell you my final thoughts. This is what it looks like. I feel with every single shirt that I've gotten, every single shirt has kind of like looked different on me. It's like a different material, which is kind of weird. This is like completely see-through, but this one has like a higher neckline and the sleeves are like mega long, wrong. Like, I know I have really short arms, like, but this is literally insane. So you're not even gonna get to see the arm detail, which like kind of sucks. I am gonna keep it though, because I mean, like, obviously I spent money on this and like it has the right words on it and everything. Yeah, it's like every single time it like looks different. And then in this clip right over here, I look super bad. I kind of wish that I got a small for some of these. You can literally see my bra. That's annoying. I'm gonna insert a picture of like what it looks like on the website. From what I remember, I do think it was more blue than this. It kind of looks messy on the sleeves, but that might just be me like viewing out negative things because I saw someone have a bad experience on Twitter. So I might be wrong. I kind of wish it was more blue, and for some reason the neckline is super high, so it makes me look weird. I think this one is probably my least favorite. I don't know. The reason why I keep getting Taylor's merch is because I do think it's really cute, especially for the summer, like those summer nights when like nice and cool out, you know? So I think this would be like perfect for that, or even like a beach cover up, to be honest. I don't even know. Je suis calme, I guess. Here's a clip of me throwing more confetti on my bed, because there's more. Look at that. Today is June 5th, 2019. 9 years ago today, Taylor had her first show at Gillette Stadium, and as someone that's from this area and as someone who is a Swiftie and knows how much Gillette means to her, I am very happy. I think the merch is super cute. I didn't have an issue with the two other shirts. I do think this shirt is cute. It says what it's supposed to say. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I had a feeling that this era wasn't gonna be like the best quality merch. Again, only because I buy merch from Ariana, or I used to all the time, and I know how many problems that her website has been having. I don't know all of the things, but I'm pretty sure like Taylor and Ariana are both part of UMG and everything, so they like, it's pretty obvious that like they're the ones making the merch, or at least like selling it or whatever. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm not surprised that Taylor's merch isn't like up to par. If I had to choose a favorite between this shirt and then this shirt, I would probably choose this one because it fits better, it looks cuter on me. Hopefully when tour comes around and everything, she'll have like better merch, because usually Taylor's merch is like pretty well made and everything. Alright guys, so this is the official end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully this gives you an insight if you want to buy Taylor's merch, or you want to, you know, just like look at it or think about getting her merch. I've expressed my thoughts about her previous merch and her merch now, and just like the companies and everything. It's bound to happen. She switched labels. A lot of things are different this era than her past eras. I hope you guys enjoyed this little merch unboxing slash try on video. Make sure you watch my other Taylor merch video where I showed all of my merch, like all of my Taylor Swift merch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!